Okay. Hi everyone. Welcome to the AWS series. So in this series, I'm going to explain you about the practical concept of AWS. So first, topic to discuss about the AWS, which is how can create the instances in AWS. So I am going to create one instance to showcase you how we can create the instance in AWS. So here you can see this is my AWS screen where I have login. Okay, if you are not user, you can just create your account and you will be able to see a screen like that. Okay, so first you need to go into the search box, and under the search box you will find this EC2. Go to the EC2. Okay, so this is the EC2 view, and here you can see there is a one item instances where you can create the instance. So in the left corner you will find the launch instance. So when you click on the launch instance, this screen will be visible to you. So it requires some values like what will be the name of your instance. So like my dummy instance or server. Okay, and I am selecting the Linux here. Okay, and this is auto selected t3.micro. This is the free tier eligible. Okay, so it is free of cost, and you can create a pair. It is generally used to connect your instance outside the AWS environment. Like you can connect your instance in VS Code. So I am giving dummy instance here. Okay, and just create a file. It will download one PEM file. Okay, this is created. Second thing, I am going to create one security group which will be allow SSH traffic and HTTP traffic from anywhere. Okay, okay, and finally there is one advanced detail. I am going to add some dummy HTML so that when I browse my instance, I can see what is inside it. So here I have some ready-made code. I will share this in the description. Yeah, you can put here and just yeah create click on the launch instance. It will take only few seconds to create a new instance. Okay, here you can see that new instance has been created, and yeah, once you click on the instance you will find the details of the instance. Currently you can see this is in ready state, so you just need to copy this IP address and paste here. By default it will take the HTTPS, so you will need to add here HTTP, sorry, STP, and it will take some times to connect. Okay, let's say if you will see here in a status and alarm, you can see like it is currently initializing. So I am reloading. It can take 1 to 5 minutes to create a new instance. Okay, I am going again to status and alarm. Still it is initializing mode. Okay, let me reload. Status and alarm. Yeah, it is still initializing. So once it is initializing, it also takes few seconds to load. So I am waiting to initializing the instance to check the status. Yeah, status and alarm. Yeah, so you can see here like this has been passed, this has been passed, and this is still initializing. Okay, I am reloading again. Yeah, still it is initializing it will, as this is the free tier services, I am using the free tier services only, so that's why it is taking more time. But if you are using the paid service, it will not take much time. Okay, so yeah, reload. Here you can see. Okay, initializing, still initializing. Okay, you can access this instance either through the public IP address or public DNS. You can try as well from here as well, but remember you will always need to put the HTTP, because by default it will take the HTTPS. So here, yeah, this machine is ready to run. Okay, and you can you can see here that instance is perfectly running. Even I can showcase you from the IP as well. Yeah, here you can see instance is successfully running, and this is the instance ID 58. Here you can see in the details, this is a 58, this is the instance ID. So we have created successfully instance, and when you go to the dashboard you can see that one instance is running here. Okay, that's all for this video. Thank you.